This week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have this very rare Cessna T210R. Now, they only made about 112 of the R variant total. The T210R is exceedingly rare in the 210 line of airplanes. Now, this aircraft comes with a TSIO-520-CE engine with a factory turbo and a factory intercooler and 325 horsepower. It's a lot of horsepower for a little airplane. We get a lot of good stuff from this aircraft. It's got a Garmin GNS 530, a GTX 330, a Bendix King KX 165. The carry-through spar in this aircraft is great. A lot of control surface, a lot of fuel system, a lot of hydraulic system, a lot of landing gear parts and components will be available from this T210R on the BAS part sale store very soon.